The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. And there's the 8 o'clock bell. Guys, very good morning. It is Monday, August 23rd. We are almost into fall. James, Leo, Chris, Mark. Guys, good morning. Deepak as well. Brian, Patrick, Jim in San Diego, and Daryl. Guys, good morning. Should be a pretty interesting week with Jackson Hole on tap. We'll see what the Fed has to say this week. Good morning, Greg. Becky, good morning. Same to you. Jacques, good morning. We should apparently have an FDA approval on the Pfizer vaccine today. Just looking, Pfizer's up a bit, $1.66. Moderna's up $11. It has been an extraordinarily wet summer for us here, Greg. Although today is going to be in the 90s and the weather is beautiful. Guys, if you're in order flow group today, the link has been sent. I sent it this morning. So y'all should have that. If you are in the order flow group, which will begin September 7th, I have added everyone to the benchmark email. Daryl, I know that you have an issue with benchmark. You have opted out of benchmark at some point, whether it was mine or someone else's using benchmark. But anybody that is in the group for September. So in this current group, I have painstakingly sent the link and then the follow-up video individually. And it just takes up too much of my time. So what I've done is I've formed a group for in my benchmark email, and the link will be sent. Okay, Greg. And the link will be sent vis-a-vis benchmark email, as will the follow-up video. So, guys, we're here. It's Monday. We had a great Friday. We had a very decent week. The bots had a down week for the first week in about 12 weeks. The bots were down. NASDAQ is currently, don't worry about it, Keith, you're good. NASDAQ is currently up about 41 points, ES up 14, YM up 150, Russell up 21, gold up almost $9. Copper is green, silver is green, everything is green, guys. The only red I see is Netflix down half a buck, Peloton off $1.37. That's all I see that is red. I do, hubba hubba. Send me a cup of that Java. Oh, you're welcome, Rich. Guys, I did education on Saturday. For those of you that attended, I thank you for your time. I thought it might be beneficial to let you know what may increase your profitability in the room, help you out with what I'm doing, and that may help you guys. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome. We do have trials this morning or this week. I'm going to have it placed in the member area, Patrick. I'll get that over today and placed in the member area. Oh, you're welcome, Greg. You're welcome. Guys, I doubt on a Monday we have any news. 9:40, we have nothing of any interest. 8:30, we have Chicago Fed National Activity Index. And I would be lying if I said I even cared about that. We also have at 9:45 preliminary market manufacturing. And then 10 o'clock existing home sales. How about that XRP? Should have bought 100,000 more at 50 cents. I think XRP is $10 in a year. That's my opinion, guys. What do I know? But I like XRP. Nice job, Keith. XRP is now just a shade under $1.30. Last I looked, it was around $1.28. But I've got a fairly decent position if it goes, if it goes like Bitcoin, goes to 50,000, you guys will never hear from me again. You'll have to find me on an island somewhere. I'm not holding my breath. In any event, guys, we're here. There has not been a single bot trade yet this morning. I want to, in fact, I am going to do this. I am going to put this I expect the bots to be slow this week as we await direction from the Fed. Trade accordingly, right? I think this is going to be my opinion, a relatively range-bound and choppy, floppy kind of week. The indices are still grinding higher. We are sideways to higher, and we are really stuck in a range. We are essentially in the same range for the last several weeks. I do not anticipate that we're going to break these ranges. Let's take a look at NASDAQ currently, 59,000 contracts overnight, so volume is decent, marginally below normal volume, and we have 1,142 buyers. I don't see anything there. Gold has some small buying, low volume. Oh, I'm sorry, that's copper. Okay, that explains that. Gold, decent volume, 2,400 net buyers. Crude has a bunch of buyers. It's up about 3% on the session. Decent, very decent volume in crude. ES, volume's not bad, 6,000 net buyers. Here is silver, 1,500 buyers in silver. The DAX, we don't really trade, so who cares? Bear with me 1 second, fellas. Here is the euro, decent volume, some sellers, and natural gas, low volume, and some buyers. Me personally, I am expecting that they may talk about tapering. But I think if they go to tapering, these markets will completely fall to earth. Not that we don't need it. We need it. But be that as it may, I'll quickly read the disclaimer, and I will get on with it. I don't use Herald. I don't use order flow for the Russell. It's too thin for me. There's just not enough there. So I don't even look at it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Chris! CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own account. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. All right, guys. The 60-minute on the NASDAQ is long. Long. It's long. NASDAQ can trade to 180 on the hourly. The 10-minute, you're going to have resistance at 135. Yeah, I'm telling you. You know, it's Monday in August. A little bit of movement in crude. If you look at your 15-minute, we're fighting the 50 period on the way up, sitting on the 20. Again, I anticipate, as I put in it, and it'll be memorialized, I anticipate a fairly, this is my opinion, a fairly lousy week for the bots. I do not think there's going to be a whole lot here until we get some darn direction this week. I think Jackson Hole is what, Thursday? VIX futures or VIX cash is down about 1% at 1854. VIX futures are down 2.5% at 20.02. On gold, let me take a look at gold. We may get a short on gold. Yeah, Bitcoin's over 50, headed to about 51,000. What's F? Friday? Is it Friday? Okay, the statement. Oh, I mean, it's they're definitely buying Bitcoin. For those of you guys that trade options, you may want to look at several stocks. MSTR is tracking with Bitcoin. and Coinbase. I like Coinbase as well. I mean, this is just pathetic. This horrific movement. Are there any here in the room? Are there any of you guys that are serious option traders? Do a lot with options? I am I can't even spell iron condor. I'm going to start a small group, but I only with guys that are. We've got I've got a member that made over $1 million last year trading options. I've got another member that made over $2.5 million last year trading options, and I'm looking for, or I'm interested in. And this will have nothing to do with the room. This is not. This is not a new group, or this is not like, hey, let me be honest. This is not. I'm opening this to the room or to everybody. I'm not. I'm trading options. I'm looking for a few guys that are serious option traders, know what they're doing, and we can share ideas. This is not, as you guys well know, this options are not for, and this is for our own accounts. This is stuff that we can share ideas. Here's what we're looking at. Good morning, Carl. But it's not like a beginner class or, hey, I'd like to get into it. Maybe I'll get into it. That's not what it is. If you guys are, really know your stuff with options, send me an email. I don't know what that is, Jay. What's the wheel strategy? Yeah, that's what I do, Keith. That's basically where I'm at. So my area is I'm pretty good on support and resistance, right? So I know what I want. I know support and resistance, and then I can identify stocks that I say, okay, they're at support or they're at resistance, right? And then with the help of got it. Selling puts with the intent of getting assigned the stock, okay, and then selling covered calls. Got it. Yeah, I don't really want to own the stock. Guys, we're flat. I'm telling you. I think this, we'll see what we get when the market opens, but we're flat here. If Nasdaq gets above the 50 period, I think we go. Can the bot fire twice? No. I mean, it can give you multiple signals, like it's giving a signal here again, right? But it hasn't changed direction, and it will not give you right. It's the same trade. It's the same trade. It will not put a second trade on. Yeah, this is the same signal, Keith. Will not add 3 more contracts. Go get a pillow, fellas. Yeah, we're getting some volume. This needs to get above 34, 34 half. I mean, it's 4 ticks. Gold trying to break up above 96, but we're trading right into this mess. Okay, I'll look at it, Dana. I will take a look at it. I mean, you guys can see this little 33.50. No gas. No gas. We can trade to 179. Let me look at gold. Gold is pushing daily resistance from the last couple 3 days. If gold can break up above about 97, we could trade back up 18 and 20.
Minutes above the hour, look at the July Chicago Fed National Activity Index expected 0.14, 0.0. And at 9 o'clock, we'll be looking for the Israeli central bank rate decision.
We have an Israeli central bank rate decision.
July Chicago Fed National Activity Index in just a few seconds.
Here comes the news.
.53 for Chicago Fed. Prior highs lower to minus 0.01 from plus 0.09.
Chicago Fed. That's big. Big. It's 2 net buyers in the NASDAQ right now. 2 net sellers. I'm looking for a pullback in gold. I agree, Don. Fight broke out yesterday. Same guy changed his mind. Exactly. We failed the 50. Right back to the 20. Now we have some sell pressure. Looks like we're coming down to 25. I think NASDAQ works down to 16 with a stop at 35. 30 with a 35. Here, I'm going to try a short, guys, on the NASDAQ, I think. I rarely guys, do this I'm late. 30 was the entry. I'll take 29. Stop is 35. Stop is 35. Target 1 is going to be 22. We're going to have to break VWAP.
You're listening to Trade the News.
Going to have to get down below 26.
Stop filled.
Yeah, out in this stupid NASDAQ, man. Can't get above 35. We know where the resistance is, right? If we break 25, we come 22. We just one ticked it. A little bit of support here at 25. $112.75. Thank you, Ray. Thank you, Dana. Gold just blew up over 1,800. Headed to 05. Yep. 05 is target now. And then let's see here. Gold can, it can go to 22. There's just no volume. 220 contracts have traded, fellas. Morning, Jeff. I could simultaneously paint my office. This is pathetic. Last 3-minute candle had 9 net buyers. 9. Current candle has 14 net buyers. Come on, take that swing. Come on, pound it. Hit it. Hit it like a jackhammer. Come on. There we go. All right, let's come. Come on, buddy. Got 52 buyers at 23. He gone. 4 ticks from what I see as first target. If you guys want to take some risk off, feel free. It's a decent little trade for pre-market. Left 46 sellers on the bottom. Come on. Got to hit him at 23.25. Got some sellers at half. There it is. Oh, 2 ticks. 2 ticks to that target, guys. 51.12.6. We had a 3 tick sequential down here. We do have stack sellers. Now 7. Need sellers at a half. Come on. 2 ticks. Offered quarter. Now quarter offered 22. 2 sellers on the bottom. We can get 22 offer.
Target filled.
Got it. You're going to cover at 0. All right, now it's free trade, guys. Free trade. Stop. I wouldn't move. So you got 7 points, 7 handles on that trade. Right now you're risking 5 back, roughly 20 ticks. Thank you, Hubba Hubba. I mean, that really tried my patience. Nice job, Keith. So we'll take 7 handles, see if we can get it on a freebie. If we can break below this 20, we come 16 half. And below that 11, 12 area. If we can get below 103, we come 93. This could come to 93. We do have an unfinished auction down here at 12.75. And nary another bot trade in sight. Again, if you guys are joining late, I anticipate that the bots will be choppy and sloppy this week. And probably next. We're almost out of the summer. Let's come get that unfinished auction. Morning, Magnus. Facebook now down a bit, along with Netflix and Peloton. That's the only red I see. Crude on a small time frame should get a bounce right here at 64.05. Let me take a look at crude. I'm watching crude. Buyer. That may have been our buy. We got to 6. Let's see what we get on the next candle. On the daily, crude can go 65.56 area. Gold headed to 1805. Possibly we could go as high as 22. That may have been it, guys. 6. You can drop this down to 33. We got a 5-tick sequential, 57, 49, 26, and 2. I'm going to take this NASDAQ trade off, I think. 28. I suspect this will take us out, but 8:55. I didn't change it. No. Chris, no. Morning, Marco. Yep. 05 was the entry. Came to 6. Let's see. And so it begins. Carl Quintanilla. We no longer think the Powell speech will be controversial on Friday. While we thought this would be an opportunistic time for the Fed to outline tapering in the Powell speech, we are now backtracking. So expect tapering to be given lip service only. Yeah, the last time they did this, they walked it back quickly. And I would not be surprised to see them walk it back again. I honestly do not think they have a farkin' clue at all. I don't think he has a clue. If they don't raise or taper,
Results of their weekly bill auction.
you can forget about this inflation is transitory horse malarkey, and it's going to be here for a long while. But if they taper, this market's going to go quick. I may have missed crude, fellas. I was within a tick. 05 was where I liked it. Gold. Motoring. I agree, Don. Let me see the ES. For those of you that like the ES, ES is into some daily resistance here where we're at. A pullback on the hourly would be great to 17, but I doubt we see that. Probably more likely a move up to 61. I agree, Lee. I mean, I agree. But, eventually these markets are going to come down. They have to. My opinion, of course, but I mean, I don't think they can stay up here. Just waiting on crude, guys. The bot is now on crude. I'll take my breakfast break momentarily. Can drop this down to 31. Risking 8 ticks. We took 7 handles on 2, risking 8 ticks. Yeah, I'm watching crude. I'm still watching it. On 40 sellers. I'm watching it. I think it holds that 5 area right in here. We'll see. – 18 seconds to the next candles all the way around, right? 3, 5, 15, 30, 60. I'm watching 60 and 10 along with 5 on the order flow. Okay, crude is open. There's my 5. Let's see what happens here. All right, guys, I'm going to try this. Should have bought that 5. You chickened out, you huge. Chickened out at 5. That was my entry on the 10-minute. All right, guys, I'm going to take my breakfast break. I'll be back. 175. Come on, pull back. Pull back. Give me 141. Anybody filled NASDAQ? Target 165 or so if you're in the NASDAQ. 165. Okay, nice job. All right, good job, fellas. The FDA has granted full approval to Pfizer's COVID vaccine. $165 to $168, target 1. You could hold out for $173 if you want for target 1. NVIDIA's breaking out again on the daily. SPY broke out. No bot trades. Got a 171 buyer here at 50 with 20 contracts bought. That's your big buyer. You had a 172 down here with 42 contracts. Yeah, I'm watching them all. Square broke out. SPY broke out. Coinbase is breaking out. I'm not looking at PayPal, but I would bet PayPal is breaking out on that crypto news in the UK. Small sellers in here. We probably come back to 40, 41. We came to 43 and bounced 43. Just buy them, I guess. I mean, it doesn't look like these things are ever going to want to come down. Got a 225 buyer here at 50. 227. I mean, you're long, fellas. You're just long. 74 target. If and when they ever come down. You're long. NASDAQ's long. Get some sellers in here. I'm hoping to get a pullback 38 to 40, but you can be long with this 230 buyer. $104 buyer on the top. There you go, guys. 172. Next target, 172. $172.
Less than 10 minutes into the trading session, the Dow 220, the S&P at 25, and the Nasdaq Composite of 96.
Almost there, guys. 172. All right, target one filled. Utterly free trade here, guys. Everybody good? You guys should be muy bueno. I mean, they are basically calling Powell's bluff right here. You aren't doing squat. Nice job, Keith. Done for the day. There you go, guys. I couldn't even get in a trade. Guys, we talked about this on Friday in education, right? At the open, sometimes it's very difficult for me to get in a trade because I'm watching so many trades for you guys. My only focus is that you all make money. I can do this whenever I want. 2 in the afternoon, 2 in the morning. My job is to make you guys money. Nice job, Mark. Up 1437. Anybody pass on the trade? There's a 214 buyer at 80. I'm not following that. Not at 80. You're welcome, David. Mission accomplished. Day's goal in. Nice job, fellas. Who passed on the trade? Nice. It's okay, Keith. I mean, that's sometimes all you can do, you know, at the open. Guys, there is nothing I can do for you now. James surpassed his daily goal. Nice. Kayla took the trade from bed. That's better than an airplane. Last time it was you were over Canada somewhere, 35,000 feet in the air. Nice job. Guys, we got to get a pullback. Nothing I can do. As they say, read them and weep. What bot? I have no bot going to fire a trade. Nice job, Ray. Daily goal in. I have no bot trade. The only thing that may fire a trade is at this point is going to be bonds Gold is turning a bit, but going off. I thought when you said going off, I thought you meant we're going to take a trade. Guys, hold them. If you're in the trade, hold them. 260 target. 260. Next level up, 265. That's where the NASDAQ's headed. 265. If you're not in it because you were a skirt, read them and weep. If you took 12 ticks and you could have taken 40 handles, 50 handles now, read them and weep. I have nowhere to get in this trade again yet. Got to find something else. I missed crude. I puckered. Well, if you didn't take the trade because you were scared, I mean, there's nothing I can do for you. If you guys are, all I can tell you is what I see. I missed crude. NVIDIA's blowing up. NVIDIA's probably headed to the ES. I didn't take the ES and I don't care about it. Just do not care about it. Let's see here. Let me look at gold. Yeah, I puckered, Ray. I puckered. Admittedly. Nice job, Daryl. Good job. All right, guys. If gold, so there are, here's where gold should bounce. Initial bounce might be 01.5. Better bounce might be 99.5 on GC. So watch those levels. 99.5 or 01.5. Boeing broke out. SPY broke out. That was the trade, SPY. I would need a pullback to about 63 on NASDAQ, fellas. I'm also going to hope that I grow hair overnight, so. God, I hate when I miss my trades. Hair's overrated. I need a pullback, guys. Nothing I can do. Let them go. We have had one bot trade today. That was in pre-market on NASDAQ. I do save money on haircuts. I cut my own. All I need is a pair. I bought a nice pair of clippers. Do it myself. Let's see if we can get a pullback here, guys, and then we'll. And if not, y'all made money. It's a good day. NVIDIA's breaking out, fellas. NVIDIA's headed to probably 218. Well, guys, all I potentially have working here is gold, but I need a pullback. Crude's gone. NVIDIA just hit that target at 14. It needs to break up here. It's pushing a daily trend line. If you are in NVIDIA, it is pushing a daily trend line and has to break up most expeditiously. Boeing is long, guys. If you trade Boeing, BA, next target up is 220.27. If you're in Boeing, 220.27, next target up, BA. SPY target's been hit, but 446 is a possible. And if you're in Square, 275.89. Pfizer pulling back a little bit. I'll wait on that. I'm not watching Moderna today. If you're in the NASDAQ, guys, you should be holding. There's no reason not to be in NASDAQ. I need gold to pull back. I'm all jacked up on Red Bull now, quick 20 ouncer. I got nothing to trade. Nothing. Gonna have to look at natural gas or something stupid. Nice job, Ray. Let's trade Russell? Sure, why not? That's right. All dressed up, nowhere to go. All right, we're getting a pullback in YM. Let me look at YM. I might could get a trade. Yeah, okay. So YM's giving me a pullback, guys. You can take a YM long about 250, 246 if you want to get really cute.
Top the hour looking for U.S. existing home sales data for July, along with Eurozone consumer confidence for August.
Order submitted.
There's your YM trade. That's where it should.
Order filled.
All right, we should bounce here. My stop's going to be 209. 209. Tell me I don't have a damn ATM. God dang it. I hate when I change my DOM and I don't get an ATM.
Order submitted.
All right, there's your stop. And target one. Let's see here. Target one. Let's go 87 for target one. 87 for target one.
Order submitted.
Okay. Trade him as you see fit. You got a nice trade here. You got a nice trade. Trade him as you see fit, fellas. We got up to 74. YM fighting some resistance guys at right about, it should have gone. Gave a nice bounce right off the entry. Perfect bounce. Didn't go to target, but come on, bounce. This is support. FDA grants full approval to Pfizer. Let's see here, Dana. Got your daily quota as well. Nice job. Ain't no stopping the CS, fellas. Come on, YM. Go get 87. Let's go. Stop being a chump. For real. You guys know how much I love me some YM. Almost as much as I love the Russell. I have no bot trades to show because there are no bot trades. Every ZB is going to go long. You can move this YM stop to from 209 to 219, 20. Risking 26 ticks. They are calling Powell's bluff. Amazon, let me look at it. AMZN. Let me take a look. Yeah. Well, on the hourly, you're going to trade on Amazon up to 60. You got to trade to 60. It's 32.42. You got 60 on the hourly. On the daily, about the same, 57, 58, 59. Above that, you can trade all the way back to 33.47. I like Amazon calls. This YM's a waste of time. Coinbase is breaking out, following, with Bitcoin. Look at MSTR, same thing, Bitcoin. NQ is going to 260. Yes, I'm telling you it is. There goes Amazon blowing up 42, 43, 44. It's going to 60. Thoughts on copper breaking out? I don't know. I'm not watching copper. At HG, let me see here. Copper is, I got nothing. Copper will probably trade up near 42.90 area. mRNA, you're asking me about? Moderna is on the cusp of breaking out in the daily. It's pushing resistance right here about 401, 402. Above that, it could trade back up 466 on the daily. It should trade close to 420, which is the top of the cloud. All I can do is watch, guys. Yeah, that's right, Moderna, mRNA. I'm sitting here stuck like Chuck in this stupid YM trade. Meanwhile, the NASDAQ has gone to Pluto. It's got to get about 75, 76, and it goes. I think we're over 4,500 on Friday. I think Powell is going to absolutely walk back his goofy talk. Moderna's just getting stuffed at this daily area. Anybody holding YM, guys? Looks like we're going to get target 1 here. Anybody holding YM? Okay. It's got to get just about, Ludwig level 77. 78. Come on, dog. 7 more ticks. Seriously? If you guys want to take some risk off, take it off. Nice job, Jay. YM and NQ. If you guys want to reduce your risk on YM, reduce your risk. YM stop can go to 28. 28. We're in at 46, so not much of a stop here. If you want to take risk off, I had $500, came within 4 ticks, a stupid target. Typical YM. Stupid. Yeah, it got to 84. 3 ticks shy of target. All right, guys, I'm going to take...
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Come on, get up there to 87, dog. We nailed YM, guys. No heat. Virtually no heat.
Order filled.
I sold 1.
Order filled.
I'm out. I'm out of YM. It's not a short, guys. I mean, there's probably no reason to be out of it. I just hate sitting in that YM. Let me look at RTY. What did he say? RTY. He didn't say that. RTY you can take as a bounce long off 2192 on a pullback. 2192. NQ ski. I need 160. Guys, give me 1 minute. Anybody still holding NASDAQ? Okay, Ray, good for you. Nice job. Steve's got 86 handles. All right, guys. No reason to be out of NASDAQ yet. Still on crude. Nice. Nice job, Moshi. Good job, fellas. Gold won't pull back. I'm hoping gold will give me a pullback. God, look at the spies. Monster. NVIDIA. It can break out. It goes 221. I think NVIDIA sees 225 this week. If I could get a pullback into VWAP around 13, I'd buy it. Sit tight, fellas. I have nothing. Everybody should have made money. I have nothing at this point. I need a pullback in gold. Let me take a look at this. Yep, I need a pull. Yeah, we're into some support here on gold. I like gold at 99.3. I don't know that it comes there, though. Oop, RTY. Let me look at RTY. For a bounce. Guys, not one single bot trade. Russell's into support here. I do not think we are pulling back a whole lot further on the Russell. I'm watching RT. He didn't just say that. I am watching RTY for a long. You guys are about 30 points away from your next target. It'll be over 100 handle trade. All right, guys. Against my better judgment, I'm going to try a Russell long.
Order filled.
There's Russell. Again, no ATM. Jeez, I hate when this happens. My stop is going to be 83.
Order submitted.
And I'll take 2 off at 94. Maybe 94.5.
Order submitted.
Absolutely. You guys should definitely go the opposite way. Yeah. I'm not telling you I'm holding this thing forever. It should get to 94, which was my first target, 94. Maybe 94, 2, 3. I'm not kidding. Oh, you should be short, Russell. I'm long. You should be short. You got to take the opposite trade, man. I think look at this SPY. I'm tempted to buy SPY for the week. NVIDIA is breaking out above that resistance or just about there. Moderna is pulled back. It's holding support. Russell is starting to tick me off. Gold is rolling over. This Russell. God, I hate this stupid son of a gun. Seriously hate this thing. All right, guys. Gold is getting a bounce. Russell doing what it do. Breaking my chops. Bonds on the bot will take a bond long momentarily. RTY is pressing below support. It's going to come into my stop. Geez, find some buyers. NVIDIA broke out above that trend line. That trade is going. Yep, that's exactly what I see, Brian. About 210. It may be even 215. Come on, Russell, let's go. Moderna's breaking out. Moderna should go. Moderna should go to 408.09. I think you might get that today. Here comes target 1 on RTY. Here comes target 1, fellas. Come on, you dog. Seriously, another 6 ticks, 8 ticks. I saw it, Deepak. Moderna's breaking out of that resistance. Look at this, another one. 1 tick. Hit it, no fill. Hit it again, no fill. Hit it. All right, guys. Down to 1 contract. Target 1 is off. Anybody take RTY? Anybody long RTY? All right, fellas. 3 trades, 3 winners. There should be nobody in this room that did not make money today.
Order canceled.
Nobody. Nice job, Jay. No, is there anybody not making money? Do I have anybody not making money? I mean, I pulled out all the stops and got an RTY winner. You're welcome, Ross. You are welcome.
Order filled.
Oh my God, we got a bot trade. Naturally, it's frozen. We have a short on gold. My chart's frozen, fellas. I don't even know where the hell my chart just went. I think I deleted my gold chart. I did. I deleted it accidentally. Unless I sent it into space somewhere. It's up 180 bucks. Yep. Trying to move it. I must have hit delete. I don't see it. Come on, Russell. You guys can watch it here. That's the only bot trade so far. That was the NASDAQ trade. You're going to get 260 on NASDAQ today. Yep. I'm waiting for a pullback to get in. I mean, it should come down to that first target. As I recall, I'll have to build another chart, but I think it was 10 ticks on the first target. I think it's probably right about there. Should hit first target. It hit 300. Anybody short? Gold on the bot? I thought I saw 10 for the first target, but I don't. It was so fast and I tried to move it. It froze. I tried to move it and now it's gone. What's first target, James? 15 ticks? What's first target? Somebody, I mean, I'm up 15. I was just up 420, so 18,013. If we break below 1800, it's coming 94. Moderna's breaking out. I mean, this is the most absurd thing ever. Let your RTY go.
Target filled.
All right, it got target. Target 1 is filled. Yeah, it filled. Down to 1 contract. I sure hope the auto trail's on. If it breaks below 1800, it's coming 94. We got $350 in the runner on the RTY. It's got to break here, guys. This is where gold either bounces or breaks. Russell, I'm going to trade. All right, on the hourly, we're into resistance on the Russell, just FYI. It's got to get above 02 and change. We go 09. If RTY can break about 02 half, it goes 09. Okay?
Order filled.
There, bot's down $10. I can't do anything without looking at the bot. Next stop for Moderna, guys, 409. 408.80. If anybody is in it. 408.80. Coin headed to 270.69. All right, guys. I'm going to close out this RTY trade.
Order filled.
This was my option trade with the guys that I'm working with. As soon as we crossed 445.25, that was your entry. Look at this trade. This is a monster. That was 1. This was NVIDIA. Long above here, 213.15 area. Not a big trade, but it's up about 30%. This was square today. Long above here, 67. Nice job, Jay. And last was Boeing. I stopped watching it. Let's see where it was. Boeing's not doing anything. I'll wait for Boeing to push back up. Boeing's got to come above 217.50. Guys, we've slowed down to a dull roar. I'm going to hold out hope we get a bot trade, which are bots down $10. I told you guys it would be a quiet week for the bots with Powell on tap at the end of the week. Guys, NQ, I told you it's going to 260. I told you it's going 260. All right, Brian. Have a good day, man. It's going 260 and probably higher. Listen, I squeaked out some trades with that small NASDAQ winner early on the short, the YM winner, and the RTY winner. James is up 665.50 in micros. He's flat and going home. He's done. Nice job, James. Guys, is there anybody that did not make money today? Steve has 111 handles in the NASDAQ on a runner. Is there anybody that did not make money today? Please tell me. I will repeat no names, and then if you did not, tell me why. Is there anybody that did not make money? I cannot help you if you guys are, not forthright. So everybody's made money today, correct? Okay. Nice job, Chris. Very nice. That's really good. $385 on one contract on 2 gold trades. Really nice job. Here's the NQ trying to get to my target, and I think that's final destination today. NASDAQ's going to trade back to 510, fellas, I think this week. That's not nice, Sue. It's really not nice. Crude is almost to my first resistance on the daily, guys, around 65.53. Gold should trade back to 803. And then it runs into noise again.
Order filled.
Oh my God, a bot trade. Do tell. Short on the RTY.
Order filled.
Oh my God, yet another bot trade. Look at this. Getting jiggy with it. ZB. Guys, I'll be 1 minute. I did not say I was going to post it today. I did say I was going to post it. I will try to get it posted today, yes. All right, guys, target one hit and filled on RTY. And ZB is sitting. Gold has bounced. It's going to 03. Hey, Jeffrey, let's see here. So that you never accidentally close a chart, go to your control panel, click tools, go and click options and make sure that the first, okay, thank you, Jeff. Come on, bonds, go get 8 ticks. And we're going to stick at 26, 7, and 8 area on bonds. Russell, in order to come down a little further, fellas, is going to have to get through VWAP. Come on, bonds. Should get, you got the big offer here at 27. If you guys want to take risk off, if you're in the ZB trade, take it off. Guys, I'm in no hurry to find trades. It's been a phenomenal trade today. Picking up where we left off on Friday and last week, frankly.
Target filled.
You're welcome, James. It's my job, fellas. That is my job. All right, we're getting some pullbacks. I'd really like to see SPY pull back. VWAP is 446.30. Here's where we are on the bots, guys. Bots are now up a whopping 305 bananas. I do what well, Dana? Guys, I said it would be slow with bots this week. Oh, thank you. All right, guys, you're almost to target on NASDAQ at that 360 area. You hit about 359. You're within 5 ticks if you guys are milking this thing for all it's worth. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. You see. Oh, we got a short on Bitcoin. Wow. I missed it. I don't really watch it, but
Stop filled.
out on the Russell, which is fine. Got a short on Bitcoin if anybody is interested. Bitcoin should come back down to 48,850 area. 48,850. Take a look at MSTR. MSTR. That should be coming down. It is. It's broken support. If Bitcoin comes a little further, Mr. will come back down to about 710. It's at 725. Yeah, Jay, I gave you guys CL. I think I said 57. You're right there at resistance. This is daily resistance. Yeah, 65.57. Yep. So if we can get above this area on crude, right? Crude could trade if you're a swing trader or a positional trader. Crude can trade to 67.85. 67.85. I think it does. Guys, anybody have any questions? I've got nothing. We're not going to get an ES trade today on the bot. We're not getting another NASDAQ trade. Possibly we get a Russell trade again. Crude, we're not getting a trade today. And possibly we get another gold trade. This is only the fourth bot trade on this ZB. Yeah. House should pass the infrastructure bill before the budget. Let's see here today. Okay, Jay. So let your trials know you started with $3,086 today in your account. Oh, okay. And the account is 7549. Nice job, Jay. Guys, I say this, daily, and I say this every week. If you can't make money in this room, I don't know where the hell you would. NASDAQ hit target. Thank you, Bashkar. You're welcome. I don't know where the hell you'd go. I don't know who does what we do. I have no idea. We might. No, we're not going to get. We're getting a little slow, guys. Time of the day. We need some pullbacks. I think NASDAQ is going to trade into the 500s this week. I'm giving you weekly targets. NASDAQ back up to 12,500 area, maybe higher. Write them down. Let's see what happens on Friday. I think that crude is going to trade up to $67, $68, closer to $68. Moderna got to 406.36. 408.79 was my target. Yeah, that's old, Ray. That was not an hour ago. I think that's priced in on Pfizer. I still think Moderna sees 408.79 today. NVIDIA sitting on VWAP. I'm looking for a pullback into the support area that it broke from. SPY will not pull back. I would love to buy SPY for the week. With options, I cannot get a pullback. There goes gold. RTY, if you guys are interested in an uber slow trade, is a long, but your stop is 21.88. I won't touch it. We're coming into the top of the hour, right? We should get pullbacks into the close of Europe. At 11 o'clock this morning, I will go through bot trades, fellas. All 4 of them. If anybody is interested in the last slot in order flow class, please email me. Let's see what some of these stocks are doing today. Apple up $1.27, Facebook up 385, Tesla up 24 bucks. All right, out of bonds. That's cool. Roku up, Netflix up, Nvidia up $7, Baidu flat, Google up 51. Where's Amazon today? Up $46. Let me see Amazon. Let's see. I think Amazon got to my target. It did.
Order filled.
Yeah, a bot trade on gold. I believe that is trade number 2. You're welcome, Don. Guys, we just doing what we do. Doing what we do. And Deepak is willing to speak to anyone about order flow class if there's anyone on the fence. Again, I have 1 slot left, so between here and September 7th, someone will take it. Okay, Daryl, where is he? Is he not in Vegas? Oh, nice. Very nice. Guys, by the way, just to let you know, come Come on, gold. One more tick, you dog. It's right at target. It won't fill it. It's a tick away. It's there. It's at target. It won't fill. Next Monday, I will not be in the room. Monday the 30th. Come on, are you serious? It's sitting right at target. Look at this rat bag. It hit target, fellas. Still sitting on target. What's target? Look, it's hit target.
Target.
There it is. Finally filled it. Only took 5 tries. And you know, order flow works on Forex as well. What do you mean the data is not the same? It is if you cross connect with Oanda or FXCM. Moderna's pumping up the jam again, fellas. Guys, we've gotten slow. If gold can break out above 1809, it's going up to 20. Does anybody have any questions, fellas? Anything at all? We're going to get a trade on the Russell as well in the bot. Close of this candle, it's going to fire. How about my trials? Any questions for my trials? All right, Gary. See you tomorrow. When do your options expire, Daryl?
Order filled.
All right, there's RTY. I personally think Moderna goes over 500. But it's awfully down. I mean, we've gotten slow now. Oh, okay. Come on, Russell. 10 ticks from home, baby. 9 ticks from home. Gold is trying to break out. Come on, RTY. 8 ticks from home. Let's go. 7, 6, 5. Come on. I'm going to move this to break even, fellas, and move it off the screen. Okay. It's break even. SPY keeps going. Guys, at 11 o'clock, as you guys know, and for the benefit of my trials, the bots will be done trading at 11 a.m. At that point, I'll go through all the bots and their trades, and we will wrap it up at 11. I'm done taking order flow trades. We've crushed them again today. Again, guys, do I have anybody that did not make money today? Is there anybody that didn't make money? Is there anybody that didn't take any trades? Oh, I'd like to get this last winning trade here on RTY. Come on, gold. Break out above 08.1 and then 09.1. And gold goes, but boy, I missed that pullback. Gold goes Shazam. Crude will not take a trade today, guys, on the bot. It's been up all day. There was no trade to take on crude. NASDAQ will not take a trade. It took a short this morning, which was a small losing trade, but nothing there. ES will not take a trade today. And bonds will not take another trade. The only bots that are currently on are these two. They are in trades. And I'm sick of this trade already. You can have it. See you tomorrow, Chris. This Russell's just piss poor slow, guys. Coming into the top of the hour. I'm just trying to be done with it. Gold, I'm locking in first target.
Target filled.
Break even. And break even. Just so I can get them shut off. Okay, they're done. Gold, I'm just going to inch up just to get them all done.
Stop filled.
Okay, that's done. That'll be the end of the bot trades, guys, for the day. Any questions, fellas? Top of the hour here. I'm going to go over the bot trades and totals. For my trials, I will be sending you out this daily video recap. Well, it's not going to be a recap. There's no editing. It's the full video from the room. If you guys would like to see, the trades, most of them order flow trades today, although the bot ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 trades. Your gold bot got you to your daily. Nice job. Nice job, Lee. Yeah, if gold breaks out above 091, it's flying. All right, guys, it's 11 o'clock. Let me give you bot totals. Bot closed up today 822.50. Okay. Took a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades. Let's go through the trades. Here's gold on the bot. Okay. Purple to purple, right? Here's your purple. First trade that fired today was a short at 10.12. It got 2 targets. Second trade was 10.45, first target only, and that's done. Here is crude, purple to purple. No trades. Nothing in crude. Here is ES, purple to purple. No trades. Here is VB. 1 trade at 10.30. And this will work up to target. It'll follow gold. 1 trade. And last but not, oh no, we got NASDAQ. NASDAQ took one trade, purple to purple, took one trade. This is the same trade. Losing trade. And then, of course, Russell. Trade number one at 1029. Odd that we wait that long for a trade in the Russell, but 1029 for a winner, not quite the second target. And trade number two, not yet even the first target. So I haven't marked this as either a win or a lose, but depending on what it does. Even though that I've taken the trade off, if it goes to target, it'll factor into, obviously not my totals, but it'll factor into my win-loss ratios for the bots, right? Anybody have any questions before I wrap this up? I'm done for the day, fellas. It's been a phenomenal trade. Kind of par for the course for us. Thank you, Jeffrey. God bless you as well. Guys, have a blessed day. Okay, Lee, I'll take care of it. See you, Jeff. See you, Stuart. I will see all of you tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern for my trials. I hope you enjoyed your first day in the room. This is about what you can expect. Order flow trades, some bot trades. When they present themselves, the bots will probably be fairly slow. For my order flow, for my trials, I will be sending you out a daily email Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, showing you the different options you have to become a member in this room. I will tell you up front, there is no monthly membership, so I do not do monthlies, unless you're a member and you wish to stay. Guys, for my order flow class, I'll see you guys in about 55 minutes. The rest of you, I'll see tomorrow at 8 a.m. If anybody needs me, call me, email me, Skype me. All right, guys? Be blessed. Have a great day. Keep your money. See you, fellas.